This is all about EsteeLicious, the Afro-continental cuisine. EsteeLicious, EsteeLicious.
Okay guys, today I'm going to be making some pan-fried salmon with this seasonings. First you add the crushed pepper, some chili pepper, and garlic powder, some basil, dried basil, and some parsley. And the style of the spices, the Cajun spice.
Yeah, gives you all kind of food inspiration. It's lit, it's palatable, it's gratifying. 1,000 flavors in one bite.
So guys, I'm going to add some oil.
EsteeLicious.
Just a little bit of oil. And then I'm just going to mix that in. Beautiful. So in a heated pan, I'm going to add my oil, just a little bit of oil.
We cook with homegrown ingredients. Looks good, tastes even better. Yummy plate of goodness. Give you all kinds of food inspiration. It's lit. Assorted cooking style and garnish.
So I'm going to add my
in one bite.
salmon, guys.
Tasty and gratifying.
Okay guys, I'm going to flip it to the other side so the other side can cook. I tried to cover it for a few seconds, so let's see how the salmon is doing. Beautiful. Wow. Okay guys, it's finished. I'm going to plate it and I'll show you exactly how this looks on a plate. Alright guys, this is what happened today. This is spicy pan-fried salmon with some yummy tomato, delicious carrots and lettuce, and a slice of lemon. Doesn't that look delicious?